Hey guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. I'd just like to give you an update. I've also changed. I got this cylinder head I offer now too. With the head kits that I'm cutting the heads off and top of the heads off and replacing it with my billet head. I make it any compression ratio you want. I am porting, just for piston port stuff. You guys are, can give me a shout out. Give me if you need something like that. This particular scope pod and another one. That one is going to be reeded. They're both going to be available shortly. But I'm kind of hesitant on shipping them out till my man Big John is done testing the engine in the package that I sent him. So I know that everything that I'm doing is working properly. The durability is there, so you guys get a great piece. Okay, this is SRE Customs. Go check his channel out, man. Check out Big John. Okay, all right. SRE out.